It's not on.
Oh my god. I feel like an alligator. We're just like waiting to strike. We're like a predator. Wait, what? Okay.
Hey, is Anna here still?
Yes.
I got a yes and a no.
Yes. Don't make me repeat myself again, please.
Oh, can somebody invite head up? There's an athlete in a blue striped shirt looking for.
Of course. Is it a black athlete or a white athlete?
It is a white athlete.
No such thing.
Guys, somebody who said something like that over the radio, that's going to be a bad day for you.
Oh, it's gonna be a bad day.
And it's not a joke, and I'm not joking.
I'm gonna be honest. I can kind of hear you holding in the laugh.
Coming down right now with the beach umbrella and the wiffle ball bat, they're already paid.
Are you sure? Like, they kind of seem a little like suspect. You sure they paid?
Positive.
I think we should probably do a stop and frisk just in case.
Who's this?
This is Will.
Isaiah, where you at right now?
Don't respond.
Over in, like. Alright, two athletes are gonna come down. They're looking, they want to talk to you real quick.
Ooh, someone's in trouble.
Let's get a radio. Knock it off.
Oh,
Nolan, can you come upstairs real quick?
you want me to knock it off? How about I knock it on?
Hi, can I get better room keys unlocked, please?
You guys are gonna have sex in the fitting room, are you?
My god.
Remember, we're at work.
All right, bro.